Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change spark plugs 2013 Ford F-150 Ecoboost step by step. Start by parking on level ground, engaging the parking brake, disconnecting the negative battery terminal, and letting the engine cool completely before you begin. Work methodically from the rear cylinders to the front, label coils if needed, use a torque wrench for proper tightness, and double-check connections before reconnecting the battery and testing the engine. Gather your tools: ratchet, 6-inch swivel extension, spark plug socket, torque wrench, dielectric grease, anti-seize, and a gap tool. Use OEM or equivalent spark plugs matched to the 3.5L Ecoboost engine and check the specified gap before installation. Keep a clean rag and compressed air to clear debris from each well. Work one cylinder at a time to avoid mix-ups, hand start plugs to avoid cross-threading, then torque to spec accurately. Quick recommendation and a favor: if you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support more step-by-step guides. On another note, the new Kindle Paperwhite lets you read anywhere with crisp contrast, long battery life, and waterproof design, which is perfect for waiting during part soak. Check the description for the link and other deals. Pick one up if it helps your downtime. Now let's get back to the video. Remove coil packs by unplugging connectors, loosening bolts, and pulling straight up to avoid breaking tabs. Use compressed air to blow out debris, then remove old plugs with a socket and extension using steady upward pull. Gap new plugs to the manufacturer's specification, apply a small amount of anti-seize if recommended, and a dab of dielectric grease on the coil boot. Hand start plugs, then torque to spec and reinstall coils.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.